Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Do you want to learn the mathematics from zero to hero level? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Okay, so trigonometry. Okay, so we are going to discuss the trigonometry. Trigonometry is nothing but trigonometry. So tri is three, angles, metry is measurement. Okay, so mostly we discuss about the measurement of three angles, and we also use the Pythagoras theorem in the trigonometry, that is hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. So we discussed these in the previous class. Now we'll discuss about the trigonometric ratios and the angles. Trigonometric ratios and angles. Okay, so here now just I am writing some values here. So here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I started from 0. Okay, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so once look outside from the window, so it's raining, right? Is it raining?
No, sir.
No. Okay, just imagine that it's raining. Okay, if it rains, then what we do? We carry umbrella.
Yes.
We carry umbrella, right? Okay, so here mathematically umbrella. So I'm keeping a root for all these numbers.
Okay.
Okay, so just it's like umbrella. Root is like umbrella. So just imagine. Okay, so here root 0, root 1, root 2, root 3 and root 4. And all these numbers, I am dividing all these numbers by 2. All these numbers dividing by 2.
Yes.
Okay, so what I did, I started from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay, so we are taking the root for all these numbers and dividing all these numbers by 2. So root 0 by 2, root 1 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 4 by 2. Okay, what is root 0? What is root 0? Root 0 is 0. We can write 0 square. 0 square is also 0. Okay, root 0 is 0, 0 by 2. Root 1. Okay, root 1 also we can write it as 1 square. Square root cancel, so we get 1 by 2. Here 0 by 2 is 0 only. 0 by something is 0. Okay, and root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2. 2 we can write it as root 2 whole square or root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. So that we can cancel the 1 root 2, 1 root 2. 1 root 2, 1 root 2 gets cancelled. So we get 1 divided by root 2 here. 1 divided by root 2. There is no change in the root 3 by 2. Just I am writing as is. Okay. Now root 4 by 2. Root 4, we can write the root 4 as root of 2 square and whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. Okay. So now square and root gets cancelled. This is 2 by 2. 2 by 2. What is 2 by 2? 2 gets cancelled. 2 by 2 is 1. 2 by 2 is 1. Here this root 3 by 2 as is and 1. Okay. These are the values of sine theta. These are the values of sine theta. Okay. What is sine 0 degrees? Here sine 0 degrees. This is sine 30 degrees and it is 45 degrees. Okay. And 60 degrees and 90 degrees. These same values we can also write them as, okay, this 30 degrees we can write it as pi by 6 and 45 degrees pi by 4. What is pi value? The value of pi is 180 degrees. 180 by 3. 180 by 3 means we get 60. 180 by 2, it is 90 degrees. It is 90 degrees. Okay. So now this is the trigonometric values table. Okay. So in this first one is very important. First one is very important.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So if you know the first one, we can for write the other values easily. Is it right? Okay, if you know the first one, the remaining are very easy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
easily we can find out. Okay, so in that also, particularly first three are very important. Okay,
Yes,
that is sine, cos, tan. Sine, cos, tan. Okay,
cos will be from this side, right, sir?
yes,
And tan
cos,
will be sine by cos.
yes, yes, good. Okay, so here I am taking the trigonometric values of sine. What is sine 0, ma? Just repeat once again. Sine 0 is
0.
0. Sine 30,
1 by 2.
sine 45,
1 by root 2.
sine 60,
1 by 3, root 3 by 2.
yes, sine 90,
1.
1. Very good. Okay, so now we take the cos. We take the cos. Okay, so what about the cos theta? Already, okay, so just now you told it is right, okay, quite opposite, okay, reverse. Okay,
Yes.
all the values, whatever we have in the sign, just reverse all these values, we get the cos. Okay, we get the cos. That means cos 0 means sine 90.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this value we write here, and this value is here, and the middle value is as it is, and this value here, and this 0 is in the last. Like that, we write in the reverse. Okay, so now what is cos 30 degrees? Cos 30 root 3 by
3
2.
by 2.
Okay, yes, good. And cos
By
45, cos 45,
1 by root 2.
yes, and
1 by 2, 0.
cos 60 is 1 by 2 and 0. And tan, now we are going to tan theta. Okay, what about the tan theta? What about
1
the tan theta?
by cos.
So tan theta is nothing but sine theta divided by cos theta. Sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, sine
Yes.
by cos, 0 by 1. 1 by root 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Okay, so like that we have to, okay, so take 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. 0 by 1 is 0.
1 by
And
root
1 by 2 root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 1 divided by root 3. 1 divided by root 3. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2
1.
gets cancelled. So we get 1. We get 1. And
Root
1 by
3.
root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 to cancel
3.
here, and root 3 here. And 1 by 0. Something by 0 is not defined, undefined. The value is not defined, undefined. Okay, so like this we take the values. Okay, so once again I am revising. So what we did in this, what we did, how we, okay, so the first we are taking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just normal numbers started from 0 to 4. Okay, and
Yes.
we are taking root for all these numbers. Okay, root 1, root 0, root 1, root 2, root 3, root 4. Okay, after taking that, dividing all these numbers by 2. Dividing all these numbers by 2 means, okay, we are taking the concept of root x by 2. Remember, as we are taking the concept of root x by 2. X,
Yes.
x is a variable. Roots in place of x, we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what we take in place of the x? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now root 0 by 2, root 1 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 4 by 2. Like that we take. Root 0 by 2 is 0 by 2, that is 0. Root 1 by 2, we can write as root 1 square. Square root gets cancelled here. Okay, that means we get 1, 1 by 2. Okay, and 45 degrees. Be careful here. Okay, so root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2, this divide by 2 we have. So whatever we have, the divide by 2, we can write it as root 2 into root 2 or root 2 whole square. 1 root 2, 1 root 2 gets cancelled. So remaining we get it as 1 by root 2. And sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So direct we are getting root 3 by 2 for sine 60. And sine 90. What is sine 90 here? The sine 90 is root 4 by 2. Root 4 by 2. Root 4 is nothing but, okay, root of 2 square, okay, is 4. So that means square root gets cancelled. So 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 means 2 gets cancelled. So we get 1.
Yes, sir.
We get 1. Okay. Now, what are the sine theta values? Just repeat once again. Sine 0,
0,
sine 30,
1 by 2,
sine 45,
1 by root 2,
sine 60,
root 3 by 2,
sine 90,
1,
1. Very good. And cos theta values. Cos 0,
1,
cos 30,
3 by 2,
cos
root 3 by
40.
2,
Yes. Cos 45,
1 by root 2,
cos 60,
1 by 2,
cos 90.
0.
Yes. Good. And tan is nothing but sine by cos. Sine by cos. So 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. And sine tan 30,
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Okay, so if you divide, then 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, so we get 1 by root 3. Okay, so now tan 45,
1 by root, sorry, 1,
1. Okay, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 gets cancelled. Sine by cos means, so we get 1. Next, tan 60,
root 3, sir.
root 3. Okay, so here 2 to cancel, root 3 by 1 means root 3. Okay, next tan 90.
Cannot be defined.
Oh, yes. Okay, something by 0, 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay, infinity. Okay, so here these are the values, and these values in the same way we can find it by using the another method, another concept. Okay, how to find by using the another concept. Okay, once we'll discuss the other way. So whatever the trigonometry table values we have, so the same values we can use. Okay, we can find out, we can remember easily by using our left hand. Okay, so here for left hand we have the 5 fingers. 5 fingers. We have to start from the little finger. So little finger. Okay, so little finger is 0 degrees. Next ring finger is 30 degrees. Middle finger is 45 degrees. Index finger, okay, is 60 degrees, and thumb finger is 90 degrees. Okay, so whatever the value we want to, we have to close that finger. We have to close the finger. 0 degrees means close the little finger. 30 degrees, okay, so close this finger. Okay, next to 45 degrees, close this finger. 60 degrees, close.
Number of left side fingers by 2.
Yes, that is for cos theta. That is for cos theta. Okay, so now, okay, so here, for example, I want sine 60 degrees. If I want sine 60, what we have to do? Once close the 60 degrees, once close the 60 degrees, and how many fingers are there in the right side? 3 fingers. So root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Like this, we can find the sine theta values. Okay, once again, we'll revise. Okay, the sine theta values. Okay, so just take your left hand and close 1 by 1. Okay, so close the 0 degrees. How many fingers are there in the right side? 0. Right
0.
side. Okay, so 0. Root 0 by 2. What is the root 0 by 2?
0.
0. So what is sine 0? 0. Okay, close 30 degrees finger. Close 30 degrees finger. How many fingers we have in the right side?
1. So
1.
root 1 by
So
2,
root
which
1
is
by
1 by
2.
2.
That is 1 by 2. Good. Close 45 degrees. Right side, how many are there?
2.
2 fingers.
Root
So
2
root
by
2 by 2.
2.
That
2
is
root 2 root will get cancelled, so 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Very good. Sine 60 degrees.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Direct we get the answer. Sine 90 degrees.
Root 4
Okay.
by 2.
Okay, so 4 fingers are there. So root 4 by 2. That means 2 by 2. That is equals to 1. Okay, and
First
if we
method
take
is only easy, sir.
cos theta. Cos theta is under root of. Okay, we are counting right side fingers, right? So cos means left side fingers. Cos means left side fingers divided by 2. You can remember like this also. Short form LSF, left side fingers divided by 2. Okay, now once we'll check it. Cos. Okay, once close 30 degrees, close 30 degrees and check it. Okay, so left side, how many are there? 3 fingers are there.
Sir.
Okay, so root 3 by 2. Root 3
sir.
by 2. Okay, so cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Once we'll, okay, so check it for all the values. Check it for all the values. Keep the table in front of you and check whether the values are correct or not. Okay, now close 0 degrees. Close 0 degrees. Okay, how many fingers are there in the left side? Left side, 4
4.
fingers.
Root 4 by
Okay,
2, which is
root
1.
4 by 2, that is equals to 2 by 2 is
1.
equals to 1.
1.
And close 30 degrees. Close 30 degrees now.
3. Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. 3 fingers are there, root 3 by 2. Close 45 degrees. Okay, left side
1
we
by
have 2
root 2.
fingers. Left side we have 2 fingers, root 2 by 2. That means 1 by root 2. Okay, close 60 degrees. Close 60 degrees. Left side, how many are there?
1 by 2. 1 by, sorry, sir. Yes,
1.
sir.
Root
Yes,
1 by
1.
2 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Close 90 degrees. Close 90 degrees. Left side, how many are there? There is no
0.
finger.
Okay.
0. Root 0 by 2, that means 0. Root 0 by 2 means 0. And even tan theta, we have tan theta also, right? Tan
Yes.
theta is easier than sine and cos. How to find this tan? Tan is nothing but already you know that sine theta by cos theta. Tan
Yes.
theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. Okay, if we divide one divided by other, sine by cos, this 2 gets cancelled. 2
Yes.
2 gets cancelled in the denominator. Okay, so that means the remaining is the answer. That means the root of right side fingers divided by root of left side fingers is the answer. Okay,
Yes.
so that means under root of right side fingers divided by, okay, so on root over left side fingers. Left side fingers. Okay, once we'll check all the values. Okay, keep the table in front of you and check it. And okay, once we'll okay, so start with 45 degrees. Start with 45 degrees. Right side, how many are there?
2.
2. Left side, how many are there?
2.
2. Root 2 by root 2. Root 2 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled.
1 by root 2.
No. Root 2 gets cancelled. We get 1. We get 1. We get 1. 1. Okay. Root of right side fingers 2. Left side fingers also 2. Root 2 cancel means we get 1.
Yes.
We get 1. So tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. Okay. Now, similarly, check all the values. We go with the all the values. Okay. So take 0 degrees, close to 0 degrees. Right side, how many are there? 0. Left side, how many are there? Close 0 degrees. 0, little finger.
Okay.
Right side, how many fingers are there? 0.
0.
Left side, how many are there? 4.
3.
Root 0 by root 4. Root 0. Okay. Is 0. 0 by something.
Sir, this hand is confusing me, sir. I'll learn like this only.
Okay. Just starting it will take like that, but it is easy. It is easy. Okay. So you can't carry the table and all those. By hearting method will take more time and confusion. Okay. Hand means you can carry anywhere. You can carry the fingers to a exam center, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by using the fingers easily you can find out the values. It is very easy, simple. Just you need little bit practice, Okay. So just practice with me so that it will be easy for you. Okay. So just close to 0 degrees once. Okay. Right side, how many are there? 0. Left side, how many are there? 4.
4.
Right side divided by left side. Root of right side by root of left side. Means
0 by 1.
root 0 by root 4. 0 by something is 0. Okay. So 0 by something is 0. Okay. So finally tan 0 is 0.
Yes.
Okay. Now close 30 degrees. Close 30 degrees. Okay. Now right side, how many are there? 1. Left side, how many are there? 3. Okay. Yes. Root 1 by root 3. Root 1 by root 3. Root 1 is 1. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Now close the 45 degrees. It is very simple. Very simple. Right side, how many fingers are there? Left side, how many are there? Just count. Counting is easy, right? You know how to count.
2 by root 2.
Root 2 by root 2. Okay. Root 2 by root 2 is 1. Okay. Now close the 60 degrees. Close 60 degrees. Okay. Right side fingers. Right side, how many fingers
3
are there? 3.
root 1. So
root 3 by root 1. Okay. So that is root 3 by 1. That is root 3. And most of the students will get confusion. Okay. In the root tan 30 and tan 60. What they do? Instead of tan 60, they write tan 30 value. Tan 30 value. Okay. So instead of tan 30 value, they write tan 60 values also. Okay. That's why be careful. If you use the hand technique, fingers technique, okay, there is no confusion at all.
Yes, sir.
You will get the correct answer. You will get the correct answer easily without any confusion, right?
Yes, sir.
Now close to 90 degrees. Close 90 degrees. Right side, how many fingers are there? 4 fingers. Right,
Yes.
left side, how many are there?
0.
Root of 4. Okay. So that means root 4 by root 1. Okay. Root 4 is left
4 by
side,
0,
side
sir.
is 0. Yes, yes. Okay. So left side fingers are 0. Okay. Root 4 by root 0. Okay. Root 4 is 2 and 0. Root 0 means 0 only. Something by 0 is not defined. Something by 0 is not defined. Undefined. Okay. So that means infinitive. What is tan 90?
In the not defined, sir.
Yes. Okay. So these are the trigonometric values by using the hand. By using the hand. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubts still here?
No, sir.
Okay. After that, we have the. Okay. So one. For more educational videos on CBSE, ISE, State Board, and Intermediate, as well as IIT-JEE, BITSAT, EAMCET, please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Thank you for watching. Have a great preparation.